In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select your info. And then where it says adjust your photo, you can open up the camera app to take a photo, or you can browse your computer and select a file that is a compatible file type like a JPEG or PNG file, and then select that as your profile image. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.